Yo, what's up guys? Today we got the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott in the British Khaki colorway. Let's check it out. Just like Travis's previous Jordan 6, kept the box pretty simple with his logo on each side and the color to match the color of the sneakers. Jumping right into the materials of the sneaker, we got the long-haired suede all over the upper, definitely giving it that premium feel. And just like with every Travis collab, he always has those subtle details like the stash pocket on one side and the zipper pocket on the other, as well as the glow-in-the-dark soles, back tab, and tongue, just to complete the look. I'm definitely digging the brown laces on these, but let me know in the comments what lace combination you like the best. For these I went true to size, which is 7.5 men's, and they still fit a little big. I'm not sure if that's typical of Jordan 6s because I haven't really owned any of them, but comfort wise, I mean, they get the job done. I wouldn't say they're super comfortable, but you can definitely wear them out, rock them on a day-to-day basis, and I think you should be straight. sneakers gave me a fall kind of vibe. Even though it's summer right now, I had to match the vibe with the fit, so I went with dark and tonal colors to match the brown in the sneakers, as well as all black, because you can't really go wrong with all black, especially with sneakers that are kind of this loud. Yo, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out my latest flash review of the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott in the British Khaki colorway. If you liked the video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, click that subscribe button. I'll also post my social media, Twitter and Instagram below, so be sure to check that out. And I'll also include all the descriptions of the fits and sizes and all that in the description box below, so you can get all that information there. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.